Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see we've got install unknown apps option, so let's tap on it and wait a second for the list of apps. And as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install anything. If you want to, you can change it. For example, for the Chrome, all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on the switcher on it, and after getting back you can see that the information changed, and from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. And be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put the data on your device and actually your whole device at the risk, so remember about that. Of course you can, it will work with all other apps the same way. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher. You can turn it off whenever you want to. You can turn off all of those permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And after getting back you can see that they are not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.